I'm definitely not the naturalist, most natural person on earth. Hey love bugs, it's your girl DizastrousBeauty coming back with the voiceover. So this unit was sent to me by UNice. Shout out to you, UNice, for sending me this unit. Right here I am showing you guys the cap construction. This unit does come with 3 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back with adjustable strap. And this unit is a straight hair bob, and it is 8 inches long, and it's a 13x4 lace frontal, and it's 150% density. Now if you are interested in any more details and specs and all that good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch, and I will see you love bugs in the outro. Bye. Y'all, so I am obviously finished styling this wig. This is what I got. If you are interested in the details, the specs, and all that good stuff about this bob, honey, then please continue to watch. Okay, so this unit was sent to me by UNice. Shout out to you, UNice, for sending me this unit. I really do appreciate it. So let me give you guys the details and specs on this wig, and then later we'll get into my thoughts and my feelings and all that good stuff about it. So it says UNice Hair short straight lace frontal bob wig with
the juice. And no one can cut. You get some juice here. Mom, can you cut this big top?
Okay, so it says UNice Hair short straight lace frontal bob wig with baby hairs along the hairline, human hair without bang, from the Bet You series. And I have done just about all the wigs that I've gotten from UNice are from that particular series. Okay, so the unit that I have is a 13x4, but they do offer a 13x6, and I don't know the density, but check the description box because I don't know that, child, but I do know the length. Okay, I do know the length. I would say that I honestly don't know. I can't tell. I would say it's 150% density. They offer 130 and 150, and I'm glad that they don't offer 180% density, because you guys know I feel like bobs look better if they are 130 or 150. Like, that's just my own personal opinion. And the length that I have this bob in, honey, is 8 inches. Okay, note I didn't have to cut it. Okay, note how it is fitting me like a bob, girl. Okay, so let me see if there's any more details and specs, and yeah, I think that's pretty much it. Let me give you guys the price if you get the length that I have, 13x4 and 8 inches. This bob is $65, girl. You heard it right, honey. It's $65. Okay, if you get it in 150% density, it is $67. $2.80. Okay, so yeah, and if you get it in the longest length, which is 14 inches, it's $100. You can't beat that with a stick, girl. Okay. Some of these syntheticals are costing around that right now. Okay, so you can't beat that with a stick. So yeah, that is the details and specs and stuff that I have, and I have a picture of it somewhere so you guys can see it like I normally do. Yeah, as far as shedding and tangling with this wig, honey, she didn't get it. Okay, it is that long, no tangling whatsoever. I do want to mention that I did have a hump up here, and I kind of showed you guys me using my curling wand and just kind of pressing up here, and I had also pinned it. I ain't even got none up here, but you know those little pins that you can stick in your hair, I had it pinned for a second while I got Journey her snack. And yeah, that's that. Like that, I really didn't have to do much of anything to it, but I'll get into that later. Is it big head friendly? Because I don't think they offer small, medium, and large and all that good stuff. Like I think you... Okay, so I don't see on here where you can get this wig in a small, medium, and or large. So I guess it's like one size fits all. But I do feel like... You know what, honestly, lately my hair has been more small head friendly. I do feel like this wig is not that big head friendly. You probably could make it work, but I did not adjust the straps or anything like that. I feel like if you have a medium sized head, it'll fit, and I feel like it'll fit a small head. So keep that in mind with it. I don't know if you can get it in another cap size by reaching out to the company or something like that, but yeah, that's pretty much that on that. And yeah, y'all, that is pretty much it as far as the construction and stuff goes. This wig does come with 3 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back with adjustable straps. And this is what the hair... girl, she lifting, so don't mind that. Don't mind that. That glue did not lay, girl. They did not lay it. But yeah, that's what the hairline looks like. I feel like the hairline is decent. Yeah, I feel like the hairline is decent. I ain't mad at it at all. I don't really care when it comes to my bob wigs about my hairline, for real. Like, it's not like a big thing for me. It just, you know, it kind of depends on you and what you like. But with my bobs, I feel like I basically wear them like this, so it doesn't matter. But yeah, as far as hairlines go, I think it's decent. Now, the parting space, I do feel like could use more tweezing. Your girl wasn't finna do it. You know, I've been tweezing hairlines here lately, but I personally am not a fan of tweezing parting space. I guess because I did it so much that now it's like, I don't want to do it. But yeah, I feel like the parting space could use some more tweezing. But I don't think it looks bad either way. So yeah, y'all, that is pretty much that. Now, obviously, I don't have to do a lint check because this is it. No Michael Jackson. If you are interested in how I feel about this wig, as well as what all I had to do to it, and is she worth your coins, then please continue to watch. Okay, y'all. So I honestly do feel like this wig is worth your coins, honey. Okay, I feel like she is definitely worth your coins. You can't beat the price or whatsoever. She's a nice, good bob. Okay, I feel like you need a good human hair bob in your closet, girl. Like, I know some of y'all are not straight hair fans. Like, I already know it. I get it. But I feel like you can't go wrong with a cute straight bob. I love that they sent me 8 inches. Okay, I asked them for 8 inches, and they was like, oh, okay, no problem, sis. That what you want. That what you gonna get. I love that. For some reason, companies don't like to send me the length that I need, and I know my neck. Okay, I know my neck. I can do 10 inches as well, but 8 inches is like life. And I don't know. This kind of... I don't know, child. It kind of giving me 10 inches, but I think it is 8 inches. I don't think they played me. Okay, I feel like this bob is life. I love a unit that I don't have to do anything to, and I ain't have to do nothing to her. Okay, I love that. It's really, really aggravating to tell a company that I need something because my neck is short, and they be like, no, sis, we know you better than you know yourself, basically, and send me something that I have to put work into, or you know, or I can't wear. So shout out to you, UNice, once again, for sending me what I knew I needed. Okay, this is my perfect bob, girl. Okay, this is the bobs that I be wanting, honey. No work, girl. I love it. I think it is cute. I think it's a great everyday wig. Literally all I did was lay her down and apply and straighten her. And you know what I said I did at the top of it, because it did have that little hump. That was that, girl. I had to do nothing else to this wig, you know, like other than my wax stick and my boots, you know, my normal stuff. But I didn't have to put in all of that extra work, and I love it. And you cannot beat the price with the stick. Okay, this wig, like, child, y'all know how I feel about my syntheticas. Okay, this wig was so easy that it was like me putting on a synthetica. Okay, I love it. I love this wig. It's really flowy. It's soft. Like, yes, it's a nice unit. And once again, you can't beat the price, girl. So I would definitely recommend this wig, especially if you are in the market right now for a good, cute, summertime type bob wig, honey. This is your girl. She's a look, okay? Shout out to you, UNice, once again. So I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a full 360, and we can wrap this thing all the way up. Okay, so this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And this is it on the right side. So yeah, once again, I'm feeling the wig is like bomb.com in my personal opinion. I love it. Let me know down below what you guys think. Are you feeling it? Do you feel like she's a look to you? Let me know down below in the comments. And yeah, y'all, that is pretty much it. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions or you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, sis, click the subscribe button. And if you're not already, follow me on all my social media platforms. I am Disastrous Beauty on both IG and Facebook. I'm Healthy Missy on Snapchat, and I'm Disastrous B on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.